To fix a Samsung oven that's not preheating, there are several potential causes to consider. A partially closed door, incorrect heating settings, or an active standby mode can all prevent the oven from heating properly. To address the issue, start by ensuring the door is fully closed, as some models won't operate with the door open, and press it firmly to secure it. Next, check the control panel to confirm that the correct cooking mode and settings are selected. For twin ovens, be aware that selecting the wrong mode may heat a different compartment than intended. Refer to the cooking guide for the correct temperature settings, mode, and tray or rack placement. If the oven is in standby mode, simply press any button on the oven or turn its left knob to exit this mode. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the preheating issue with your Samsung oven.